Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, it's been a very fragmented week in the stock market with small caps getting killed, Russell 2000 really getting blasted, while a few big weighted cap stocks have held up to averages, NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft. But anyway, I wanted to give you a quick update on ABBVIE. ABBV is the symbol. If you remember back, well, let's take a look here. This is a weekly chart going back 3 years or so. And this was a horizontal channel. And back here, you'd buy at support, you'd sell at resistance. You could have done that several times, made a lot of money. And we got this big breakout in March of well, actually at the beginning of 2024. So prices went up, got very, very overbought, as illustrated by our relative strength index, our RSI down here. And then we got a correction. So I initiated a buy on May 15th. So somewhere in this mess. And the price projection based on the width of this channel, projecting that upward, is about 195. That gives us a landing area, a 20% potential from when I initiated it with a 3-to-1 reward to risk, which is really favorable. Here's my stop, and it's still there. So had a big week last week. This week showed a lot of strength, hardly gave any of that back. So everything looks fine from that standpoint. Let's take a look at this mess that happened over the last few weeks. And so here we are. And on June 10th, which I believe is this white candle, I did a quick update intraday saying, pullback is likely. We had a confluence of moving averages coming together in a bullish rainbow convergence. And at that point in time, either prices would sit here and wait for the moving averages to rise, which is a type 1 according to Tom McClellan, or we get a retracement back to that convergence. So I was suggesting selling some up here and to buy on the dip. So that was on June 10th. So that's what we got on June 12th. I did a quick update intraday and I said this is a really good buying opportunity. I'd be initiating a position, or I'd be buying larger. So the example I give, if I had 100 shares and we got up here and I saw this convergence, I sell, I don't know, 10 or 15 shares. And when the retracement happens, I would go bigger then. So if I sold 10 shares, I'd buy 20 shares, or I'd buy 25 shares, because I'm trying to get bigger on this position because of the big upside here. And oh, by the way, it had a 379 dividend yield when I initiated. It's still at 368, so still really, really attractive. So that's my thoughts. So then the following day, we had a bullish hammer here, which again showed good support. It came down, touched that, jumped right off of it, gave us a bullish hammer. And then today we got some follow through. So this is looking really good. I just wanted to give you an update. This is not too late to buy. Pretty soon it will be, because the reward to risk will no longer be that favorable. It'll be more like a 1-to-1 reward to risk. So anyway, I wanted to give you an update on that. Point and figure chart looks beautiful. We got a bullish blue trend line here in place. We've got a nice recent breakout. Got a little bit of a pullback here, giving you another opportunity. And our price projection based on the point and figure chart is 203. So I'm at 195 on my subjective charts, and this is at 203. So, it gives you an idea of a landing area. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Have a great weekend. Adios.